Now I am towards the next point, that is speciation. Speciation means how the different species are developed. Now you are all known about that there is one species, and of this one species there are lots many variety, and this is nothing but speciation. Means what? There is a, if I focus only on one species, that is dog, you can frequently observe that there are many different kinds of dogs are there, like Doberman, Alsatian, Pommeranian, and very much Doberman. Very much other varieties are also there, and few are natural and few are due to hybridization, and this is nothing but a speciation. Likewise, there are many much varieties of plants also. You can observe that if I am focusing only on rose, you can observe various varieties of rose, like white rose, pink rose, yellow rose, red rose, and sometimes the shaded rose also, which are due to grafting. Few are from natural and few are from grafting. So these are all known as a species. So formation of new species of plants and animal is nothing but it is a effect of evaluation. The species is the group of organism that can produce fertile individual through natural reproduction. Now each species grow in specific geographical condition. Definitely if I am focusing on the Alsatian of India and Alsatian of Africa, you can observe the lots many changes also, because according to the geographical condition their food, habitat, reproductive ability and period of time is different, and however the genetic variation is also responsible for formation of new species from earlier one. Besides geographical and reproductive changes are also responsible. Similarly, geographical or reproductive isolation also leads to speciation. Now what do you mean by that? Geographical or reproductive means the change in the position, means change in the environmental condition, change in the living habit. Means if the organism is living in a cold area or hot area, then accordingly there must be change and new species will be developed, because the species which is there in cold area cannot survive in hot area, and the species in the hot area is also not able to survive in the cold area. So this is the due to, means species are same, but due to geographical condition now there is two species are being developed, and likewise reproduction is also responsible for speciation, because reproduction may be natural or reproduction may be through breeding. Like if natural for example Alsatian, how Alsatian was developed? Alsatian is a dog which is being obtained by breeding the dog with a donkey. So this is also the change. It is not a natural reproduction, it is a change in the reproductive manners, but it is also has led some development of new species. So this last line means that geographical and reproductive isolation also leads to a speciation. Means due to these two reasons there are various species developed in India or in world, including plants and animals.